What's up, guys? Back to another trading day video. OG trade guide in the house. Make sure you follow on Twitter. Make sure you subscribe here on YouTube because you don't want to miss any new videos. So let's go into today's trades. So we started off today with a very steep loss in price. Steep drop in the price. So I got in right here. We carried up to the top. We had a strong candle stop in there. So when you see, this is what we did yesterday. Yesterday we drew these resistance lines. And I was showing you guys, and you can see, look how it respected it. That's how I knew today to get in, because we saw this flat candle there, and you knew it was going to switch direction. So I quickly hopped on there, and yeah, there's going to be a quick, you could just ignore that one because you know it's going to keep going up because it hit the resistance line again. That meant nothing. So this is all price action. I will link a video down below. It's called Price Action Trading. And look, it also respected this line up here. So the lines are a thing. The support and resistance levels are real. It's not a myth. They do respect it. So that's SPX. Let's go into the real moneymaker of the day, which was Netflix.
Netflix was bomb. Actually, forgot to mention about the puts I did. Yeah, I did puts on SPX too. So, when did I do that? Yeah, I started buying puts around here. The problem is it was pretty expensive up here. I mean, no, it wasn't as cheap as it could be. So, where did I start buying? No. I started buying puts here. And then what happened is it started going up. And I didn't panic. That was the key. That was the key, guys. I knew there was a resistance level right here. So as it kept going up, I kept buying more and more and more. And at the top, I scaled all the way into puts. All the way in. And then as soon as I start flipping around, I rode the whole thing down. And I made, what was it? 40 or 50% gain. It was wild. So, all right, let's go to Netflix. Netflix was dope too, because Netflix had these dope ass resistance points. I didn't even have a line here, but I just knew. I knew it was gonna pop. I was on the live trading for the Trust Bus, and how do I do it? Oh yeah, like this. Right here in not indicators. I want to draw a line, but oh, right here. This is it. Right here. That's like a. So it kept boom. It kept hitting it. It was trying so hard to go down, and you can see it just keeps trying to go. But you know, the fate of this stock is to go below this line. It can't fight it forever. So I was putting in the chat. I was like, guys. It's gonna pop. And what do you know? It pops like crazy. And get this. I did the same thing on Netflix that I did on SPX. I started buying puts here because I thought, oh fuck, it's gonna go down. Oh, sorry, excuse my French. So it end up going up all up here, and I scaled up. I did both. I had Netflix and SPX. The thing with SPX, though, is I sold at this line. I sold at that line because I had a feeling it might go up again. But on Netflix, I kind of did like a hedge. I secured my gains with SPX, and then with Netflix, I let it go all the way down to here, and I rode Netflix down to there. Today, I made a freaking killing. It was just such a damn predictable day with these lines, and the entire market kind of just copied itself. You know, like all these different stocks they all had these big drops and then resistance, and Meta was a little weird. I don't know why I brought up Meta, but let me just pull up any other tech stock. They all had these lines. Just the whole market was just dope today. You see, they all did the same thing. And that's in the tech industry, they all will tend to copy each other. Netflix, what else? There's Tesla, boom, same thing. Every single one of these stocks, they all have the same exact chart. It went down, and it was fighting, and then it kept going down. It was such a, God, what a great trading day. I mean, if you didn't have the patience to ride this up and hold down, yeah, I could see some people panic sold here, but it's all about controlling your emotions. I have definitely gotten the hang of this emotions thing. I'm just built in. I was born that way. But hey, it's not for everyone. If you can handle the pain of seeing your portfolio go this negative and just betting on it going back down because you're just so sure of it. I mean, I was very sure of it. So I held, because I'll tell you why I was sure of it. Well, I'm not going to look at Tesla. I'll show you Netflix. Netflix, the previous day, had this huge jump. So that's why Netflix had the biggest drop, like compared to whatever that was. That was, what were we just looking at? Tesla. Tesla's a little crazier. But Netflix just had this crazy jump in one day yesterday. So I knew it was way overbought. So I knew for sure Netflix was going to break that line. The other SPX, Tesla, I wasn't as sure. So you definitely have to compare it to the previous chart. It was just a perfect setup. Like this yesterday and leading to this craziness. Imagine my thoughts when I saw this. All the way to this point, it was just wacko. And when you see it zoomed out, just cut this part off. And you just see this, and then you just see, you know it's going to change direction. That's just the market going crazy right here. Saying, hey, yo, pay attention because we're about to switch direction. So tomorrow, I don't think it's going to break this line again. I'm pretty sure it's going to go back down tomorrow. What do you guys think? Well, if you guys are watching this tonight, comment down below. If you're watching this in the future, don't comment. You're a cheater. All right, guys. Have a great night. Happy trading. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Love you. Bye.